Hi, thank you for choosing Fulham. Today we're going to be demonstrating how to program our brand new Coldspot 20-watt emergency battery backup. This battery backup is rated for applications in ambient temperatures of minus 40 degrees Celsius up to 55 degrees Celsius. In addition to programming, a feature of the Coldspot there is a dip switch on the side to select lower emergency power settings. The default is 20 watts, but you can select other emergency power wattages that allows you to get longer run times and the wider temperature ranges as you go down. To get started with programming, connect your TPSB 100 to power. You'll see it says SIMP mode. That stands for simple mode. Additionally, you want to have your programming prong plugged into the unit, and you will take the programming prong and plug it into the wire block here. You can see there are plus and minuses on the unit that help you align your polarity to the programming block. On the other side, you'll see some other connections for other harnesses to program different units that Fulham offers. In this case, you'll want to use the test switch connector. Connect the white end to the programming block and take the black end and connect it to the test switch connector on the unit. From here, you'll want to enter full mode. And to enter full mode, you hold the M and the minus buttons down together until it says full on the screen. And while it says full on the screen, you want to hit program 3 times. Now you're in full mode. Hit read. Says OK. You'll change modes by pressing M, but we want to talk about the EPOW mode, which is the emergency power mode. You can see the default is 20 watts. With the plus and minus, you can toggle a different EM setting and hit program when done. Now this is set to 15 watts. Additionally, on the programmer, if you hit M, you'll see SELD for self-diagnostic. That is the self-testing mode. By default, this is engaged, but when you're at this setting, you can toggle between EN for engaged and DIS for disengaged. Now you have programmed the unit. An additional feature of our programming is that you can program multiple units at a time. For example, let's read this unit. Now it's read the unit. It knows what EM power and what self-diagnostic setting it has. Now we want to enter auto program mode to copy and paste this onto other units. And the way you enter auto program is by holding the program button down until it says auto and hit program 3 times. Now we are in auto program mode. From here, you just have to connect the black test switch connector to more units, and it will program automatically. Done. Done. We just programmed 2 additional units. So imagine that on your assembly line, speeding up your process. Thank you for taking the time to review this process. If you have any questions, you can contact your Fulham regional manager. Thanks again.